Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 5:13 a.m.
Ooh, 5:13. Nice blue sky. Good weather, huh?
No complaints yet.
Antero! Oh shit! Just jump it. Yeah, buddy. On the road down from Antero. Sadly, we have lost Drew Bob. He's feeling pretty wrecked. So he's gonna go down towards the Colorado Trail and camp, listen to some tunes, and make it back to his van. Maybe we'll see Drew Bob in the future. Who knows? Could be a surprise ending. Next mountain is Princeton. That's a doozy. It's not gonna be easy, man. Princeton is not easy. We'll see what time it is when I get to the bottom of the road. Sundown's at like 8:39 or so. 4 hours and 30 minutes is a good time to like get into it. I don't think I can finish it. Not with this load. So, come what may. I found this little guy on Antero. I know it's not much, but it's pretty cool. Just on the road. All right, so I'm at the backside of Princeton. And I had a little scare because I don't have any water. And the creek that's usually rushing had no water until I found it here. And I checked my map, and it's exactly where I put that water is. So I'm a dummy, but it's so crazy how low the flow is. Like, it should be raging. It's spring, and it's like this little trickle. So it's 7. It's really late. I got like an hour and a half of good daylight left. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the Princeton Traverse today because I don't want to be on top of that ridge line when it's this cold. So I'm just going to set myself up for tomorrow. I'll probably catch the sunrise on the summit of Princeton. If I'm lucky. I'll at least be on the ridge line. And that'll be really pretty. Yeah, bum. Drew's not here. I didn't bring any music. Well, I brought music. I just didn't bring any earbuds. So I've just been alone with my thoughts. And man, my thoughts are crazy right now. It's been really hard just to be here. Alone with my thoughts, but maybe that's a good thing. Maybe my brain wants to talk to me. Sometimes I forget that this isn't the Nolans. This is just scouting the route again, getting refamiliarized. So I have all this pressure on myself that I don't need to do. And I got to stop that. I give myself a lot of pressure a lot of times. So don't do that, Justin. All right, that's all I got.